Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian and this is Smoking Hot. Today we're going to do a smoked vegetarian country chowder. And I'm going to use the Beyond Meat so that you know that's where it's coming from. And the rest is going to be oh so good. We're going to do some smoked corn with that. We're going to add some of the everything else that makes up the chowder. So get your beverage of choice on. Come join me. Hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell. And let's have some fun cooking. Alright, so I'm going to be smoking the corn, but first I'm going to leave it for about an hour on with the husk on, a little moist on the inside. It had been soaking in some water, so it'll cook really nice in there. I will husk these and then put it back on just for a little bit of smoke on the outside flavor. Okay, so I'm going to go with just 2 Beyond sausage. I'm going to smoke these on low temperature, about 165, super smoke, for about an hour. You could add more potatoes to make things thicker. I like that, so I do. And you're going to dice these up, small bite-sized chunks. Put these in the smoker as well, get that smoked flavor. Going to be about an hour. Onion, going to use a half onion. Going to dice that. We're going to cook the onion, not smoke it. And we're going to put that in with some butter. Going to be using a 2 tablespoons of butter or 1/4, medium heat. Going to let that melt. Go ahead and mix in 1 cup of mushrooms with your half onion. And we're also going to do the minced garlic. So 2 cloves of minced garlic in with this. And we're just going to keep this mixing around, mixing with the butter. It's going to brown the mushrooms. The onions are going to come translucent. And that's when you're going to start adding some of the other ingredients. Once that's good, we're going to go ahead and add some celery salt, some black pepper. Keep all of this mixed up in there. I like using a little Old Bay's in here as well. Adding a half and half, that'd be 1 cup of half and half, and a full can of cream of mushrooms. And mix this all together, and we're going to bring that back up to a heat. It's been a little over an hour. We're going to chop up and add our Beyond sausage. Mix that in there with the corn. And we used about 3 ears of corn on this. All of our smoked potatoes, and I add a good healthy portion of Louisiana hot sauce just for flavoring. Up to you how much you want to add. All right, so let's see how this came out.